Diba? Dito talaga ako. Dito talaga ako ba? Ginara mo. Sa Kirby Maracas.
Is the precision Casablanca le drap. Casablanca.
It's a hotel?
No hotel, c'est le precision.
Police station, big one. Police station, this big police station.
Starbucks?
The Starbucks.
Starbucks next to the police station.
Ça c'est pour Casablanca, le train. Station du train.
Station du train.
Casablanca, Rabat, Casa.
So, but this one is belong to the new city.
Yeah.
So that's building.
Ça c'est
Theatre
le
Royal.
Théâtre Royal.
Theatre Royal. Oh, may bowling. Mas madali ba mo? Oh. They got their big groceries here. Oh, it's underground. Para ba? So dako. This we can buy some. Okay. Buy bread. Got some fruits. 5.80 dirham. Okay, so we'll get that. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Alright mga ka-vibes. So magandang hapon. So nandito tayo ngayon sa dito New City daw ito eh. New City. So yan. Wala na tayo sa Roin. So welcome to the New City. That's it. New City McDonald's. So Maracas Plaza. Okay, that's it. This is the plaza. Oh. Okay.
May buffet man yun.
Oh wow.
Pero 149 man mama.
Dirham. Okay lang namin. Which is Lucy. So we're gonna have dinner here. Crab buffet. Yes. Kus nabalhas ka. So this one para madpurnos abatus. Aha. 15. Aha. Welcome to the new city. This is the new city.
Uy, there's really more cute.
Mm. Yeah. Hotel Asundo. It's good. Wow, New Yorker. Yeah, I found the queen. Mommy. I found the queen. New Yorker. New Yorker. You got a New Yorker there. New Yorker.
ما بقاش كلين على هذا ما
Okay. Wow.
Nalang-ala. Kung bakit katabi ko yun ito.
Okay, let's go.
Punta ka na lang mga kabayo pa lang.
Kabayo, kabayo. Kabayo, kabayo, kabayo. Oh, wow. Yep. The New Town Plaza. This is G9 Ilharte. Yeah. What you are selling? Ah, that's for the food. For the okay.
You want to the garden? Yes, welcome. Yeah. No problem.
Ilharte. What garden is this one? Oh, G9 Ilharte.
Garden healthy. It's for free.
No, it's
free?
not
It's for free.
Oh, thank
If
you.
you want to go around,
We get around. Let's see. Let's see. Sukran, sukran.
have one.
Okay, man. Udah bugnaw ka na sa tali ko na bisang siriyan.
Ano? Ang kon.
Ban kasi akan
So I got 2 hours. So, okay. Mami, diga. Diga, may ara gani. That's the... Oh, they got dinosaurs here. They got the dinosaurs.
Let's sit somewhere
Dinosaurs. Wow. May dinosaurs dito. Aha. That's good.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Uy, ka namin isang kahoy.
Some dinosaurs. Yeah. So you can really tell if you are on like a dry land areas. You normally have these trees.
Sweat. Let's put my outfit out. Tingin ko mag-iswang lang.
Red, 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 red.
Would you like to see my exhibition?
Sorry?
Do you want to see my exhibition?
We're hungry. We're going to eat first. Okay, we are at the Garden of Morocco. Morocco Garden. Oh! Look, motor.
Baka pala siya mag-drive.
Okay. Go. That's it. Philip Restaurant.
No, what she shook.
Yes, so we found it. This one. So we will do the not free buffet volunteer. Yeah, we'll do that one. Yes. Okay. So there's no reservation. Sorry, there's no reservation to come in.
Yeah.
There's no reservation.
No,
Just come in.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go inside. The World Queen.
3. Table for 3.
Yeah, having here.
Anywhere? Anywhere? Hi.
Hello, we're back.
You wanted here? Or the other?
Take your time, sir.
For
Well,
drink or for food? For food. Okay, come here for 4 people.
Yeah.
It's okay. This one is good. Yeah. This one is good.
Yeah.
Sukan, sukan.
You wanna watch football?
Suka.
Football. Ano yun lang kayo? You wanna watch football?
It's okay.
You wanna sit there?
Okay, I'm not going to watch it now.
Sige na, Dre, nalang ko sa kamo doon.
Salé, and we have two
Soup.
and dessert.
Ah, okay, so that's all you
إذا
can.
كترت ياك إذا شو بيك كتر.
Okay, let's see. Let me check if this is which is good. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. So this. Oh. Yeah. Good. So you got the salad at first. You got sushi. Okay. That includes chicken. What type of chicken? That one is maybe
Grata.
with mushroom on it, isn't
Broccoli.
it? Broccoli. Okay.
Two potatoes.
Oh, pasta.
Please, sir.
Okay.
Which do you want to drink? She asked for two mango.
Okay. We got here.
Yes. The draft, you want to take the
Yeah,
draft?
yeah.
Half
One.
liter?
Beef. Tomato.
Ooh, tomato beef, yeah. And that one is
Fish. White. Fish
White
white.
is the white one. Okay. Alright, and that's it, yeah. Okay, anyway, what's your name?
Yeah. Muhammad.
Muhammad.
You're welcome.
Say hello, say hello.
Thank you.
Okay, pizza
Soup.
and soup. Okay. And the dessert. We got
Soup.
the dessert and fruits.
Soup, vegetable, fruit, fruit with milk.
Ah, okay. And
Bread.
that one is bread.
Bread.
Okay. And you got the dessert.
Dessert.
And then, okay. Yeah.
Good.
Shukran.
You're welcome.
Okay. So we got this one. So either you can use the new. So I ordered the drink. San Miguel. Okay. Good job. Oh wow. That's how I continue. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. So we are on the Queen. So that's our first plate. Yeah. So we got the black and brown and purple olive, and we got some salad and some sushi, and this is aubergine, I think. Yep. So let's try the black one. So the same with some seeds on it. Yeah.
Yan, tinapay yan. Gusto ko na niya.
Where's the best one? The black, the green, or the purple one? I prefer the purple one. Good. And this one? Aubergine. Aubergine is sweet. Aubergine is sweet. Okay. So, how about this? Okay. It's good. And the chicken? Okay. The chicken is crunchy.
Uy, may chicken naman na.
Kasi ang chicken la parang wala siyang flavor. Siguro lalagyan mo siya ng ketchup. Ayan. Yung kain. Ayan. Uhaw na uhaw. Hindi masarap to. Okay. So they got two types of soup. So this one called it Asiatic soup. So Asiatic soup, but it's not from Asia, from Moroccan. Okay.
Ano ba ito na? Luto magkaon sa left ano? Ano ba? Diba I saw it in the YouTube.
It's on YouTube though.
Was it left hand?
Never watched it.
So, parang may seafood siya.
Asiatic na po. Pero rumit. Kasi aquatic pa pa.
Aquatic. Not Asiatic. Kasi parang, ano siya eh. Parang may shellfish. May shellfish. Ang sabor.
Mango in the sushi. Oh, the sushi is quite good.
I think so.
Mango.
Hulog.
Okay. The chicken?
Cauliflower.
Okay. Let's try the fish first. So what we got is everything on their buffet. Yeah. So I got the fish. I got the one that just was eat combined with the stew, and I got the beef, and I got the chicken. So let's try the fish first. Call it white fish.
What about the white leafy? What's the leafy?
You can ask
Ask them. Okay. How about this? The beef. Oh, the beef with beef and
Hopefully that's jalapeno.
this is egg and then beef.
Also not jalapeno, unfortunately.
Yeah, the meatballs is very nice.
Where's the meatballs?
Over there. And with meatballs with egg. About the chicken? Let's try the chicken.
May dessert to that.
Okay. I think I prefer more the beef than the chicken today. Yeah. It's a curry chicken anyway. It's curry chicken. But there's no spiciness on it. Just a plain one. I think if they made it spicy, it's very good. But it's buffet, so for everybody, so everybody can eat. All right, so that's it for the plate. So far, oh good.
Probably the
So
friendliest
this are their,
hospital.
this is their finger foods. And Bibi get the beef and another sushi. Wow. So let's try the pizza. This is the new served pizza.
new one.
Yeah, the new one, the new one.
Let me try the dessert.
Mm.
Oh, positive review naman kami. Positive review.
You know.
Mga pasyente. Ang friendliest. Paswerte sila kay kami na nagsulod. Masarap eh.
Huh?
Masarap eh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
think I'm very excited for dessert. The section for dessert is quite good.
This is margarita, yeah? This is margarita. Good. Yeah. The crust is thin, huh? So it's good. Try natin to. Ganun to. Ano to ito? Okay.
You have more water, so finish.
So, after they ordered Tomingo juice, di kulang pa daw eh. So yan. Ano kami? Ano sa
Piña colada.
Piña colada
I'm gonna have a try.
with alcohol.
With alcohol.
Yeah, piña colada with alcohol. Yep. Nice.
Again, let's take it.
It's like pina colada.
Piña.
Yeah, why your phone is there?
Alright.
Remove it.